and welcome back to my channel. In this week's video we are going to be making Marvelous Miss Maisel tea cakes, and these came out so cute. I am so happy with them and I hope that you guys love them as well. So I'm going to share the recipe I used with you today. I did use a vintage cake recipe so I could keep it more authentic from the 50s, and then I also used an icing recipe. It wasn't vintage because all the vintage recipes said like shortening or gelatin or things that I can't eat as a vegetarian, so I just used one that was not using a ton of animal products, and that is how we made these delicious cakes. So I'll have the recipe linked down below, and anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get started. So the first thing that I did was I preheated my oven to 325 degrees, and I am just going to go ahead and start buttering my little pan. I used the same pan in my Game of Thrones video for Sansa's lemon cakes. It's from the Pampered Chef, and it's like these flower designs. So I think this is a good one. Honestly, if you have mini bunch pans, those are probably gonna work better than this, but I'm working with what I've got. So something small and like a rounded shape is what you're gonna need. And then of course I wash my hands as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a stick of butter and kind of butter it up, and then we'll start mixing up our cake. Alright, so my tin is buttered. I'm going to set that to the side, and I'm going to go ahead and start with my recipe. So it says, in a large bowl, cream butter and sugar until light and fluffy. 1 cup of butter. And 2.5 cups of sugar. Hopefully it's sweet enough since I just lost a little bit of sugar. Alright, until light and fluffy. Alright, it's looking light and fluffy, so now it says add 1 egg at a time, beating well after each addition. Alright, here we go. Okay, next it says combine flour and baking soda, so I'm assuming that means in a different bowl. So 3 cups of all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So let's do this. Okay, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. With buttermilk and beat well. Does that mean I put like a little bit of this and a little bit of buttermilk into this at a time? Or do it at the same time? Does it all mean contrast? I'm confused. Okay, I'm just gonna put them in at the same time and hope for the best. So 1 cup of buttermilk. Oh, that stinks. That smell is going to bake out. Let us hope so, because ooh, that's strong. Add alternately buttermilk and beat well. Okay, so we're going to beat this mixture well. I am confused why it is so dry. It is literally as dry as cookie dough. Is this how it's supposed to be, or did I forget something? Heat and vanilla. Okay, so I forgot the vanilla extract, but that still seems like we're missing something. Because this is thick, y'all. supposed to buy liquid buttermilk, so I'm gonna see. Okay, so it calls for 1 cup of buttermilk. You need 1 cup of water. Okay, maybe that's what I need, is just to add some water, and we're gonna be back in business. Okay? Okay, we're looking much better now. Much more liquidy. So lesson here is, y'all, this recipe calls for liquid buttermilk, not powdered. And I probably should have looked at that before that I figured this out, because the recipe did not make it very clear. Win some, you lose some, but this is still going to be a win. I'm just getting down to the bottom to get off all of the stuff that wasn't mixed in very well. And I'm getting back on my arm. That batter tastes good. Alright, this is gonna be yummy. Okay, so now I'm gonna pour this mix into my flour tin. I'm gonna go about halfway up in them, so that way they have room to rise. Here we go. Alright, we're looking good. I'm gonna put these into the oven. The recipe says to bake it for 70 minutes. We're obviously cooking it in a much smaller pan, so I'm guessing it's probably gonna take like 25 minutes, but I will update you guys when I take them out. Alright you all, so while we're waiting for the cake to cook, I am gonna go ahead and start making my frosting. I'm also gonna be making a butter glaze to go on top of the cake before I put the icing on. That's super, super simple. I'm literally just gonna melt a cup of butter, mix it with some cinnamon and sugar to taste, and then I'm just gonna drizzle it on top of the cakes, which I will show you in a second. But then on top of that, I'm gonna add the famous pink icing that Mitch puts onto her iced tea cakes. So to do this, we're gonna need, I'm gonna actually half the recipe that I'm gonna have linked down below, because there's no way we're gonna need 6 cups of frosting. So we're gonna need 6 cups of confectioner's sugar. What is half of 3/4? What is half of 3/4?
It's 0.375.
Okay, I don't know if we can make 0.375, so we might have to do the full recipe. Okay, so when we half the recipe, we're gonna need 6 cups of confectioner's sugar, 0.375 cups of butter. So I'm just gonna do a little bit less than half, 0.375 of cups of whole milk, and then half a tablespoon of vanilla extract. So let's do this thing. This recipe is super simple. It just says to combine everything on medium speed until smooth and fluffy. So let's do this, girl. So I got my cup here. Get my confectioner's sugar. So we need 6 cups. Alright, 6 cups of confectioner's sugar. Well, that pretty much just uses the whole bag of confectioner's sugar. We are going to add 0.375 cups of butter. Alright, 1/3 of a cup. 1/4 of a cup. So if it's 3/4 of a cup, I'm basically adding 1/4 and 1/2 of a fourth. Again, I'm just halving because there's no way I'm going to need 6 cups. So if it's easier for you, absolutely feel free to do the full recipe, because I am doing some weird math right now. But to me, it's worth it to not have a ton of extra sugar or icing that I am not going to ever eat. Okay, so now 3/4 cup of whole milk, so I'm just gonna have that. Oh, I forgot to get my whole milk from the fridge. Hey Siri, how many teaspoons in half a tablespoon?
0.5 tablespoons is 1.5 teaspoons.
All right, combine on medium speed until smooth and fluffy. Let's do this. I'm gonna start slow because if I go fast right away, it's just gonna shoot all over me. Oh, it smells so yummy, guys. All right, I'm gonna keep letting it beat so it's nice and smooth. We're also gonna wanna make it that iconic bright pink color. So I have my red food coloring somewhere around here. I have to find it. So I'm slowly just gonna add the red food coloring until I get to the pink that I want. I also saw at the store they have these neon pink ones. Those might work better if you're out shopping for this. That's what I would recommend. I just put 5 drops, so we'll see how that looks. I'm gonna add a teeny tiny bit more milk. I'm adding a little extra milk because I need this to be like a very, very liquidy frosting so we can kind of group it around like Midge does on the cupcakes. You'll see it has that design that looks like she kind of like poured it over the top. So I'm just kind of adding it until it's a little bit more liquidier. Okay, I think 8 drops is the right color that we're looking for. 2 thumbs up. Super yummy. All right, guys, so my beautiful little cakes came out of the oven. So right now I am just cutting off the bottom so that they will be flat if they have risen too much. And then I'm just gonna pop them out and put them on this plate over here to cool down a little more. I also just made my butter. So I made half a cup of butter. I melted it and then added cinnamon to taste. And we're gonna be drizzling that on the top of our cakes to give them a little more flavor before we put the frosting. These are looking so good. Oh, I ended up cooking them for 40 minutes. That's how long they took. They are a little bit browner than I like, but it's okay because we're about to cover them, or at least the tops of them, with frosting. So that's totally fine. I did check on them multiple times while I was waiting just to make sure, and they were pretty underdone, so it does take a little bit longer to cook them. I have no judgment as well if you're going to like a party or something, or if you're having a party at your house for the premiere Marvelous Miss Maisel and you want to use a box mix. Hey, I would do that too. I just wanted to try a vintage recipe just to see how it turned out. So that is kind of why I am doing it this way, but I'm sure a box mix would taste just as good and work just as well if that's easier and you don't have as much time to do all of this. Ooh, these are toasty coming out of here. Alright. So we are going to go ahead and take our butter, and you're just going to want to drizzle a little bit on top. It's going to kind of soak into the cake. And that's just going to give it a nice little cinnamony taste, which I think is just super delicious. Looking good, guys. These are going to be so tasty. It really just goes on the top and kind of drizzles on the side. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it on top and kind of let the sides fall down a little bit. Now that I'm seeing the side of my cakes and how tiny they are, I think the flowers I got are ridiculously big. But that's okay. We're gonna make it look great. And I'm just going in and adding additional like drip details if they didn't drip the way I wanted any particular ones. They look so cute, guys. So adorable. And I know they're gonna taste even better. Once the icing's on how you like, we're gonna take some flowers. These are the best ones I could find, although they're not exactly like the ones she uses. The ones she uses don't have like the white on the end. They're like a lot darker purple, but they do have yellow on the inside. So that was what I was looking for, was purple with yellow. And these are the closest my grocery store had. So we're gonna go with these. I'm gonna try to just kill a couple so I can save the rest. And put them in a pretty vase. Alright, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clip the top off, and then they just go right in the center. They are so massive. They're cute though, they are cute. They're just so big, oh my gosh. Alright guys, they look so pretty, let me show you. Alright, so here they are, our Marvelous Miss Maisel cakes. The flowers do look a bit different, but that's okay. I still think they look beautiful. And let's taste and see how they are. Super, super yummy. I think these would be a hit at any party you brought them to. Thank you everyone so much for watching this video. I hope that you all enjoyed making Marvelous Miss Maisel iced tea cakes. And leave me a comment down below on what you're excited to see this season of Marvelous Miss Maisel, who you think she's going to end up with, where you think the best places she's going to go. And anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful week, and I will see you tomorrow with a new vlog. Bye!